Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Droid Guy. Today we are going to teach you how to hide or show search box on the taskbar on Windows 10 operating system. This actually straightforward tutorial, so let's get started. As you can see, this is the search box on the taskbar. To hide this, right-click on a blank area on the taskbar, then select Search. So you are given options here: Hidden, Show Search Icon, and Show Search Box. Since this option is currently checked, it means that the search box is visible on the taskbar. So just select Hidden to hide the search box. And as you can see, the search box is gone or hidden. If you want to show it again, just right-click on a blank area on the taskbar, select Search, then click on Show Search Box. If you click on this, your search box will be shown on the taskbar. Now if you only want to show the search icon, again click on a blank area on the taskbar. Then select Search. Click on Show Search Icon. As you can see, the search icon is shown. If you click on the icon, the search box appears. I prefer the search box. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.